Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on a Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, August the 8th, 2022. In this additional, I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars puzzle. There are three puzzles left. The Sudoku with 3 stars, 4 stars, correction, 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. But now it's time for the 4 stars Sudoku. Yes, guys. Should be a little bit difficult than the previous one, because the previous one has 25 printed digits and this one 24 printed digits. And this one will be number 4981. And before I start for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit for a 4 stars puzzle. 30 minutes or more. If it's really a 4 stars. Alright, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 threes. Alright. 3 fours. 2 5s, 3 6s, 3 7s, 1 8, 2 8s, and 1 9. So the 3s are a majority. Can I start with a 3? That's the question. No, I cannot start with a 3. Well. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row, the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this column. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. But we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 digit left in the middle row for number 8. Alright. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. And look, we have a 3 in this row and a 6 in that column. In this column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 3 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Alright. 9. We have a pair, 7 and a 9 in this row. 7 and a 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9, so 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, so 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Okay. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see here 6 in the first column, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column, the third column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in this big square, so no 7 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 7 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and a 6. So 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. All right. Okay. Then. Let me see. 6. Okay, 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. What the 3? The 3 in the third row, the 3 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this second column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3. Okay, can I continue with 3 now? How about 8, 5, and 2? 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then. Let me see. Well. The 4 in the third column, the 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Okay. And now. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this second column, so no 8 in these 3 box, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Okay, 259. No. 2 and 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Here we have 9 and a 3. Okay, so we have a 2 and a 4. No. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Okay. 9, 3, and a 5. 9, 3, and a 5. No. Okay, and now. How about? Come on. 7. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes here. 7 in the last row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so row between. Only place left for the 7. Should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 9 and the 3, 9 and the 3 are missing. We see a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 5 should be there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. 6 and the 9. Here we have a 7 and a 6, I believe. Yeah, the 7 and the 6. Then the 8 in this row. The 8 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Okay, how about these 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers? The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. That means, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 7 in the third row. We have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. Here we have also a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. Here, 7 in this column, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7 and the 6. Now we have a 7 here in the second row, so here can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 6. 6 and a 9 are left in the first row. 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9, of course. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Cannot believe this. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. How could that be? 24 printed digits. 1 less than the previous Sudoku. So is this really a 4-star Sudoku? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Let it be a 1-star puzzle. 14 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.